Hear the clouds, they softly speak in voices light and misty. Their secrets drift on the breeze, a world of whispers in the trees. Stars align in a silent dance, lovers lost in a fleeting trance. Moonlight bathes in silver streams, fading like our midnight dreams. Cloudy whispers kiss the air, fleeting moments pure and rare. In the night we're boundless free, chasing dreams in mystery. Winds of change, they gently swing, guiding us the will to stray. In the twilight where we meet, our hearts sink in rhythmic beat, a dance above the earthly plane, where worries fade and hope remains. Clouds will tell their ancient tale, fated love will never fail. Cloudy